Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.5, Problem 2. This is Section 3.5, Problem 2. We have 16.8 divided by 7. So the decimal makes it look a little bit more difficult than it really is. Just ignore the decimal initially. And what's going to happen is when we get the answer, the decimal is just going to come straight up and show up in the answer there. That's how you're going to deal with it. So divide into 7. 7 divides into 1. 1's not big enough. Go to the next one. 7 divides into 16. It will go into 16. So it'll go in twice. 2 times 7 is 14. 16 minus 14 is 2. Bring down the next digit, which is the 8. So the 8 will be next to 2. It's 28. 7 divides into 28. It goes in evenly 4 times. And 7 would divide into 168 24 times, but because of the decimal, it's really 2.4. And that's the answer, 2.4.